Now let us look into the case study type of questions. This is a new concept type based questions which are now introduced by the CBSE board. There are two questions asked. Basically, it was the 6-mark questions which were asked earlier, and now this has been split into 4 to 5 parts, each carrying 1 mark. You can as well see that it is a concept based question. First read the question properly, analyze it, and then understand the question and try to answer each and every part of the question. It is basically very, very easy. Once you understand the question, it's going to be easy to answer every part. Now let us look into this question. An architect designs a garden and society. The garden is in the shape of a rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius 10 meters as shown in the given figure. Based on the above information, answer the following question. 2x and 2y represents the length and breadth of the rectangular path. Then the relation between the variables is x squared minus y squared is equal to 10, x squared plus y squared is equal to 10, x squared minus y squared is equal to 100, x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. Now look into this figure carefully and you can see that OAM is a right triangle. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. OA squared is equal to OM squared plus AM squared. Now you know OA is nothing but 10. So 10 squared is equal to 100 squared. Sorry, 10 squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, or from this you get x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. So we can see that option D is correct. Second part. The area of the green grass A expressed as a function of x is 2x times root of 100 minus x squared, B 4x times 100 minus x squared, C 2x times root of 100 plus x squared, D 4x times root of 100 plus x squared. Now from this equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 100, we get y squared is equal to 100 minus x squared, or y is equal to 100 root over 100 minus x squared. Now area of the rectangle is given by AB into BC, or which is equal to 2x into 2y, which is equal to 4xy. Now in the place of y, we can now substitute root of 100 minus x squared. So therefore A is equal to 4x into root of 100 minus x squared. So we can see that option B is correct. Look at the third subdivision. The maximum values of area A is 100 square meters, 200 square meters, 400 square meters, D is 1600 square meters. Now to find out the maximum area, now area is given as, we have found out the area to be 4x times root of 100 minus x squared. For maximum, dA by dx is equal, it should be equal to 0. So let us now differentiate A with respect to x. Apply the product rule. dA by dx is equal to 4x into half. You can apply the product rule uv dash plus vu dash. That is 4x into half 100 minus x squared to the power of minus half into 2x plus root of 100 minus x squared into 4, which is nothing but 2x. I have cancelled 4 and 2 there, so that gives you 2x into 100 minus x squared to the power of minus half into minus 2x. Yeah, this is a minus 2x plus 4 root of 100 minus x squared. Or since dA by dx is equal to 0, now you can equate that to 0. So 0 is equal to minus 4x squared by root of 100 minus x squared plus 4 root of 100 minus x squared. On simplifying, we get x squared is equal to 100 minus x squared, or 2x squared is equal to 100, or x squared is equal to 50, or x is equal to 5 root 2. So x is equal to 5 root 2, or therefore 2x will be equal to 10 root 2. So this option A is correct, not option D. Option A is correct. Now coming to the fifth part, the area of the graveling path is 100 into pi plus 2 square meters, 100 into pi minus 2 square meters, 200 into pi plus 2 square meters, or 200 into pi minus 2 square meters. Now let us calculate that. Now area of the graveling part, from the figure you can see it is nothing but area of the circle minus area of the rectangle. So area of the circle you know is pi r squared. So which is nothing but r is given as 10, we know that. So area of the graveling path which is necessary is given by area of the circle minus area of the rectangle. So pi r squared, that is pi into 10 squared minus area of the rectangle is 2x into 2y. Now we know 2x is nothing but 10 root 2 and y is nothing but root of 100 minus x squared, which is root of 100 minus 50, which is root 50. So y is also equal to 5 root 2. Therefore 2y is equal to 10 root 2. Therefore the required area is equal to pi into 10 squared minus 10 root 2 into 10 root 2, which is equal to 100 pi minus 200, or take 100 as a common factor, you will get it as 100 into pi minus 2 meters square. Now from this we can see option so 100 into pi minus 2. So option B is the correct